This is the automated Rubik's Cube solver, and now it's going to the first stage, that is scanning all 6 faces. Now this yellow or the white, okay, white with blue, okay. This is good, this is good. Another 9, okay. Red face, green face. All 6 sides of the Rubik's Cube has now been scanned. The raw data is now processed by the Arduino Mega, which then finds a solution and it tells the robot to go into action. Here we go. It's almost there now. It just needs to fix one more thing. Yeah, I think, yeah, almost done.
Get in there. 50 minutes?
Wow.
No wonder robots are stupid.
There you go. It solved it, man.
No.
It did.
No, look.
No, it did, dude. It solved it, man. It just needs to flip one time.
Now, oh. I thought you said it was already solved.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's solved.
Just bring it up, the whole thing. It's gonna like turn around everything. Now all 6 sides has been displayed to verify the cube has been fully solved. That's about it for now. Hope you guys all liked it. Thanks for watching.